Atunda TV, Africa Redefined.
Wukari local government area in Taraba State came alive with vibrant colors, music and cultural pride as youth and community members gathered for the much-anticipated Jukun Youth Day 2026 celebration. The event, which drew participants from across the historic Kwararafa region, was a powerful display of unity, heritage and enduring traditions of Jukun people. The atmosphere was electrified as attendees, dressed in rich traditional attire, filled the venue with songs, dances that reflect the history and legacy of Kwararafa Kingdom. Cultural troupes performed captivating dances, while others shared stories that highlighted the values and identity of the Jukun people. Speaking with Atunda TV, several participants expressed their excitement and pride in being part of the celebration. Many described the event as more than just a festival, emphasizing the importance in preserving their cultural heritage and passing it on to the future generations.
Okay, presently this is the display of our culture, and then this is the identity of the Jukun people, which is known as the Kwararafa people. As you can see, everybody is celebrating, smiling, putting on nice avenue for this atmosphere. And then you can see around, you see everybody on his cultural attire, and this festival has been going for decade. It happens decade after decade. So I guess the last one was 2012, and then this present one in 2026.
This event brings people from different backgrounds, and it's an event that reminds us of our culture, an event that reminds us of where we are coming from. It is an event that really reminds us of our past ancestors.
Today is our day. It's a Jukun Day, Kwararafa Day, and all over people of our Kwararafa, we are all happy today. Today is our day. We are Jukun of Kwararafa.
Culture is a very beautiful thing. Personally, I love culture. I respect culture so much. And then anybody that doesn't have a root, then I think you should go and get one. Because finding your root is a very important thing. When you know your culture, you're safe. You can go anywhere and speak about your culture everywhere you find yourself. We are going to so much benefit from this event, especially the transportation, the vendors, those are selling foods, wares, because the Adre cultural attires have become a beautiful attire that everybody from far and near want to wear. Yes, I feel very happy because I can see little of the one we have in Jalingo, the small one you have in Jalingo. Precisely in my own ministry, it has been wow. Like, people have been talking about it, people have been coming there to relax. And I'm sure with the Tropicana in Ibi, I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful place to visit.
Community leaders also commended the initiative, noting that the event serves as a platform to promote unity among youth while strengthening their connection to their roots. They encourage continued participation and support to ensure culture remains vibrant and relevant. In a significant development for the state's cultural and tourism landscape, stakeholders also highlighted the emergence of Lakapine Tropicana Lake View Resort in Ibi, Taraba State, as a new tourist destination. The resort is expected to boost tourism, attract visitors from within and outside Nigeria, and create economic opportunities for local communities. Its presence further complements the rich cultural offerings of Taraba State, positioning the region as a green hub for heritage tourism. The Jukun Youth Day 2026 celebration stands as a testament to resilience and pride of the Kwararafa people reinforcing the importance of culture as a unifying force in modern society, while also opening new doors for tourism and development in the state. Reporting from Atunda Television, I am your Precious Osamudamen. This is Event Chronicle. See you next time.
Atunda TV, Africa redefined.